Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. चलिए बताइए इसका मिनिमम पंपिंग लेंथ क्या होगा फॉर एम्प्टी लैंग्वेज. For empty language, what is going to be the minimum pumping length? Empty language is even called as null language. 1 is the answer. Why? Because aim is a positive integer. I have told aim is a positive integer, so it's always greater than equal to minimum pumping length is always going to be greater than equal to 1, and here length of the string is 0 plus 1 only. You are going to get null plus 1. नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है इसमें, कुछ नहीं है, null नहीं है इसमें. It is not null here. It is but only because of that, only because of since minimum pumping length is going to be, since minimum pumping length is going to be 1, that's why the answer is 1. Minimum pumping length is going to be 1, that's why the answer is 1. क्योंकि minimum pumping length हमेशा 1 से greater ही होना चाहिए, इसलिए यहाँ पे इप्सिलॉन नहीं है. This language is not having epsilon. It is empty language. It is empty language. It is not equivalent to this. It is not an empty language. It is not a null language. Why the answer here is 1? Because minimum pumping length is always a positive integer. So its length should be greater than equal to 1. So any length who's greater than equal to 1 is going to be the pumping length for this language. Since we want minimum, so minimum is 1. So even 2, 3, 4 is also the pumping length for this language. Clear है सभी को?